So would you say that's one of the benefits of InterNACHI is, well, you can be a member at
Yep.
an affordable cost, and you can start your home inspection business,
Yep.
then also get all of the free resources and benefits
Yep.
that come with that membership.
Yeah, InterNACHI has everything you need to be successful. It has everything you need. I didn't have that. We didn't have
Right.
that 20, 30 years ago.
Yeah.
We didn't have anything. We didn't have any resources. There wasn't any really good organization for home inspectors that provided the training, the certification, the continuing education, the licensing help, the marketing, the business resources. There was nothing like that. InterNACHI has so much for any individual who was interested in becoming a home inspector to be really successful in a business. You have to not do it alone. You have to have leverage. You have to leverage the resources that you have. Mm-hmm. And sometimes it's leveraging capital, money, or time, or other people, or like being a member of InterNACHI, you get to leverage, like there are 30 people on staff, and they all work for you if you're a member of InterNACHI. Mm-hmm. That's amazing. You can't start off in a business and hire 30 people like that
Right.
at $49 a month.
Right.
Right. But in InterNACHI, you can. Everyone on staff is dedicated. All those good folks are dedicated to helping you be successful. Mm-hmm. And you can't do that alone. Mm-hmm. So when you're starting off in business, or if you're a business owner right now and you've been in business for 5 years, but like you want to give it a boost, mm-hmm. you have to realize that you don't have to do all this by yourself.
Right.
You have to think of yourself as a business owner. You go in as an inspector, but you realize that it's not just enough to be an inspector and do the inspection stuff. You have to run a business.
Right.
And to run a business successfully, you have to delegate things to other people to do, or have systems and processes in place so that you don't have to do all those things.
Yeah.
Back then, 30 years ago, I used to write the reports by hand. My hand. At the end of the day, my fingers were like this because writing with a pen. And I'd have to press through, they were called NCR forms. You'd have to write on the top page, but press hard enough through your pen to press through 2 more so that you can rip this page off, that's for your client. Rip this page off, that copy is for the real estate agent. And the terrible copy that you can barely read because you didn't press hard enough, that's your copy. Yeah. And that was the home inspection report.
Right.
And it was check marks. And then you write something, and it was like 12 pages that staple it. That's what you gave. Yeah. That was so dumb back then.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now you have software.
Right.
Of course, if you're going to be in business doing this visual inspection stuff, you need software. So you have to, that's leveraging, software to do things that you don't have to do by hand anymore.
Right.
There's 7 people on an InterNACHI marketing team. 7 people who are ready to work full time on your brand, your marketing, your messaging, your logo, your look, your feel, your communication, certifications, all these things that you need to communicate to tell other people that you're a really great home inspector.
Yeah.
Or, oh, okay, you want to do it alone? Go ahead, have fun. Mm-hmm. But I'm going to leverage 7 people to be on my marketing team because I'm a member of InterNACHI, and I'm going to beat anybody that I'm competing. Who else is competing against me? How many people are on your marketing team? Right? There's no one on your marketing team. I have 7. Yeah. And behind them, there's 23 more people. 23 more people. It's 7 plus 23. That's 30. There's 30 of us. Yeah. Right. That's what every InterNACHI member has. That's just one benefit. We haven't even gotten through the actual benefits. That's just the human benefit.
Right.
It's the human membership benefit. 30 people who work for you. InterNACHI is just, we didn't have that back then. So we created something that is just overwhelming for someone who wants to be in the business of doing inspections. This is exactly what you need. You need an InterNACHI in your back pocket,
Right.
and you can do anything.